Bro, have you seen this? Commodity markets look rather bipolar today. Gold's dip, strong dollar, while oil's racing north. So basically, Professor, gold's on a diet and oil's hitting the gym. Simple. What on earth happened? Professor, maximum power 747 kilowatt, top speed 350 kilometer per hour, 0 to 100 in only 2.5 seconds. I knew it, Professor. Simple's not human. He's a robot from the past, now emotionally totaled. Simple. What are you lamenting about exactly? My dream, Professor. My only dream. I eat dreaming about it. I sleep dreaming about it. I wake up dreaming about it. We know what you do after waking up. Spill it. My dream is to own a Lamborghini Revuelto. I even picked a name for my baby. Simple Guinea. Then, why is this dream making you cry? Because I calculated, Professor. Even if I saved every rupee for the next 100 years, I'd still be test driving it in my dreams. Relax, Robo Simple. In that case, you can time travel 100 years ahead and pick it up. Simple. Don't cry. Listen to me carefully. Imagine you're already driving your dream car. You're at point A, and the wedding venue, let's say bro's wedding, is at point B. Whoa, that accelerated quickly. And at your current driving speed, you will reach the wedding venue in 3 hours. But the wedding is in just 1 hour. You will miss it entirely. My question is, what would you do? Increase my speed? Exactly my point. You don't need 100 years to buy your dream car. If you increase the speed of your savings rate, you can buy it in no time. Wow, Professor, wow. Intellect. Smoother than Italian leather. So you're saying, Professor, I can get my simple guinea in my lifetime? The rich do it all the time. They design a 3-step financial strategy backed by behavioral science that increases the savings rate and making them achieve their financial goal faster. Let's see how. Wait, Professor. We're directly jumping into strategies this time without any psychological theory. Situational demand, bro. Simple's in no condition to wait. Simple. Let me start with something fascinating. Research by Hal Hirschfeld, Susanne Shaw, and Smolo Benucci shows that how we frame the concept of saving, what they call as temporal framing, dramatically changes how willing we are to commit to it. Professor, can we please skip this brain part and get straight to what should I actually do part? Basically, Professor, he is asking you to share your PhD knowledge with simple, friendly subtitles. Alright, fair enough. So, what you should do is instead of saying, I will save 12,000 a month, reframe it as, I will save 400 daily. Because saving 400 a day seems light and manageable, whereas 12,000 a month seems heavy and restrictive. Money is the same, psychology is not. So you mean I can trick my brain into saving more just by reducing the time frame of the saving? Exactly. Call it behavioral brain hacking. To help you out further, let me break it down to you in 3 simple implementation steps. Oh, thank you. Wait, I will get something to write on. Step number 1, make your goals microscopic. Don't save 15,000 a month, save 500 a day. Your brain loves small wins. Step number 2, automate it. Set up weekly or daily auto transfers. That way, saving happens before impulse spending. Step number 3, celebrate tiny victories. Track how much you saved today, not what due this month. It feels like progress, not punishment. Wait, 400 rupees a day and I will actually save more? Professor, is this true? Not just more simple, significantly more. In multiple studies, when people reframe their savings from monthly to daily, their savings quadrupled. Quadrupled? You mean people started saving 4 times more just because of this psychological illusion? Exactly. Because when you reduce the scale, you reduce the pain. Now, let's move ahead and explore strategy number 2. Simple. Here's another financial strategy the rich use to increase their savings rate. They don't decide what to do with their extra money when they get it, they decide before it even arrives. In behavioral finance, we call it pre-commitment principle. You commit in advance to allocate a portion of your future income, like tax refunds, bonuses, or pay raises, into your savings before it even arrives. So, Professor, are you saying I should consult my astrologer first to check if I'll get my bonus? Yeah, Professor. Maybe Simple wants to know if Saturn's planning to give him raise this year. Simple. What Professor is meaning is, say in January you commit that 50% of the bonus you will receive in March will directly go into savings. Or 3 months before your annual pay raise, you schedule an automatic 2% increase in your savings plan. And that's the genius of it. Because when you take the decision in advance, before the money even lands in your wallet, you tend to take rational decision. But if you try to commit on the day of the bonus, your party animal self will take over and that rise will get converted into airports, smartwatches, and one unnecessary ring light. Bro, don't expose my shopping cart like that. So, what exactly should I do to set this up? Here we go. Professor's the navigation app, and I'm the internet connection. Without both, Simple would still be buffering in life. Well said, bro. Step number 1, identify future income events. That means tax refunds, bonuses, pay raises, or even your friend paying back that loan he almost forgot. Step number 2, set a lead time. Make the decision 3 or 4 months before you receive the money. If the money is coming in June, make the decision in March. Step number 3, write it down. Literally, make a small contract with yourself. Note the amount, the percentage, the day, and what's it going towards. Emergency fund, savings, investments, or your big goals. Wait, bro. Like this? On January 15, 2026, I commit to allocating 50% of my 2025 tax refund, estimated 3000 rupees. That's 1800 to my emergency fund on March 1st, 2026. The transfer will execute automatically. This is my first official contract. Whoa, Professor, I think its brain software just got financially upgraded. So, guys, let's move on to the final financial strategy, the third and the most powerful one yet, to fast track Simple's dream into reality. Mental accounting. It's a psychological bias where we treat our money differently depending on how we have labeled it. Oh, I know this one, Professor. You taught me this before. Labeling money helps you control spending. But I still get confused when I try to make those jars. I always forget the names and end up using emergency fund for buying pizza. Of course you do. Maybe for you, emergency means no food in the kitchen. Don't worry, I will help you out. Okay, Simple. Imagine your money as a well-trained army. Right now, all the soldiers are sleeping in one tent. That's chaos. Here's what the rich do. They build different camps for each purpose. And here's how they do it. Camp number 1, emergency fund. These camps are highly accessible, but only for real emergencies. Think hospital bills, not your hunger pangs at 11 pm. Camp number 2, goal based fund. These camps have medium access. like for your Bali vacation, iPhone, or your Lamborghini fund. Withdrawal takes a few days, but the tiny delay makes you rethink impulsive spending. Camp number 3, retirement fund. This one should be locked down tighter than your Wi Fi password. High friction, withdrawal delays, penalties, tax consequences. This is where true commitment lives. Oh, I get it. Separate accounts for separate dreams. Wow. For your dream car, you suddenly understand behavioral finance better than most MBAs. Absolutely true. For Lamborghini, it turns into Albert Einstein of economics. Guys, when I finally get my simple guinea, I will take you both on a drive. I will label one account fuel fund just for her. Make sure you also open maintenance fund because if that car sneezes, your wallet will also catch cold. So, guys, all the three financial strategies form a complete behavioral system, one that works with your psychology, not against it. Research studies have shown that by implementing these financial strategies can increase your savings by 200 to 300%. Three times faster? That means I can buy my car in 15 years, not 100. At this rate, you will be rich before your car model gets discontinued. So, guys, if you found this useful, hit like and share before your brain finds an excuse not to. And subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh before your willpower expires for the day.